everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use Etsy shop updates as well as Etsy listing favorites to your advantage to get repeated customers to come back and purchase from you. Now, this is a marketing strategy that not too many Etsy sellers are taking advantage of, and if they did, it might help them make extra sales in a continuous basis. So there are two ways that people who follow your shop will start receiving free notifications from your store. So the first one is if one of your followers recently favorite your shop, anytime that you do a shop update, all of these people who favor your store will start receiving free notifications from your store with the new updates that you recently did. The second way is if they favor one of your listings and you happen to have a sale, or even if the price increases, the followers who favor that listing also get a notification. The best part of the notification, that is free. You don't pay anything for this, and it's free advertising for your Etsy store. The notifications are sent out automatically by Etsy, so therefore there's really nothing you have to do from your end, and the follower will receive a notification in their Etsy profile, either the app or if they're looking at it from the desktop. And due to the fact that they have already engaged with your brand the first time, this actually increases the likelihood of them actually buying from you the second time around. So how do you get people to favor your shop or listings, right? Well, occasionally you will get people that will go ahead and favor your shop or favor a listing, and you didn't even have to ask. However, there's a lot of people browsing through your shop on a daily basis, and you're missing a lot of opportunities. They don't even know that they could favor your shop or favor a particular listing. So what I recommend is adding call to actions in your shop as a way to increase your shop favorites and more people liking your listings. And call to actions are pretty much really important because they're pretty much a way to guide your buyer's journey in your shop by telling them what type of action you would like them to do next. So you could do so by adding a photo like this one in every listing, asking people to go ahead and favorite your store if they enjoyed it. Or you can make an Etsy photo like this one, asking people to favorite your listing. If you have a particular product or service that's high ticket price, it makes more sense to add the call to action that asks the person to favor the listing. But you could also test out both formats and see which one works better for you. You could add also both photos in every listing as well. Ultimately, doing this strategy is going to help you get more sales on a continuous basis. And I do recommend, once you have this system in place, to do shop updates on a regular basis, maybe 2 to 4 times per month, and play with your pricing, either decreasing or increasing, even if it's only by $1. This will ensure that people are getting notified on a regular basis of your shop, of any updates, price changes, and hopefully they'll continue to come back over and over, engage with your brand, and keep buying from you. Now, please note, in order to do any shop updates, you need to do them from your Sell on Etsy app. It doesn't work on the desktop. If you want the instructions, I'm gonna leave them right below this video. And you could update your shop pricing through your desktop or app. So that one you could do both ways. So let me know if you knew about the strategy prior to watching this video, or if you have been doing this already, or if you plan to start doing this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you soon.